Hi everyone. So we are live now. Hello. Hi everybody. Hi Ekta. So we are live now. I'll just wait for few more people to join in and then we'll start. So hi. Hi Meghna. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello everybody. So we are live now and people have joined in quite a few. And I hope I am audible and all of you can hear me properly, see me properly. And if there's any problem, please let me know through your comments. And so, all of you know that today this live is going to be a fun conversation with our very own VLCC Femina Miss India Rajasthan 2020, Aruna Beniwal. And today you all will get to know a lot about her, a lot about me, and we are going to have a fun discussion. As you all know, even I represented Rajasthan. I won the state title of Rajasthan and represented Rajasthan at Miss India last year. So yeah, I think we should invite Aruna over here and let's get started. Just give me a minute. I'll just send her a request. So the request has been sent. And hi, hi Anurag. Thank you so much. So we'll just wait for Aruna. Till then, let me see. How are you all doing, first of all? How's it going? Hi. Okay, so we have Aruna now. Hi, Aruna. How are you
Hi,
doing?
ma'am. How are you? I'm
I'm
doing
good.
great. How are
Please
you?
call me Suman. I'm fine with Suman. No, ma'am.
Okay, Suman.
So, how's it going? How does it feel?
It's going amazing. I'm feeling like very good being part of Miss India and representing Rajasthan. So it's a feeling like I'm on top of the world. So yeah.
I can understand. I can understand. I think I had the same kind of feeling last year when I won as a Miss India Rajasthan. And yeah, I still remember when the day I got crowned as Miss India Rajasthan. It was one of the best days of my life till date. And I can never forget that moment. So yeah, let's get started, Aruna. First of all, tell me how's it going? How are the days going? It's all virtual right now. So just tell me how's it going because I don't know the other side of what is happening. So just let me know what all is going on right now with all of you girls. How are
Yeah,
the days going? How's the mentoring happening?
yeah, definitely. Actually, the days are going amazing. Like in starting, I was a bit nervous, like how digital pageant will go and each and everything. But
Yeah.
later and sooner, like the team and our mentors and everyone let us know each and everything. Like they treat us like their own family, and it's really good. Like we wake up, we get messages, we join the briefing, then again we get ready, send look to Richa ma'am, get approvals done, then we do shoot. So it's going seriously amazing, and I'm really enjoying each and every day.
So sweet, so sweet. So what's your call time? Like it's early morning or in the
Yeah,
afternoon?
it's no, it's around 9 or 9:15, but we wake up early, like 7 or 7:30, so that we get ready for the briefing.
Okay, cool. So, by the way, all of you guys, she is Aruna Beniwal. She is VLCC Femina Miss India Rajasthan 2020, one of the top 31 contestants of VLCC Femina Miss India, co-powered by Raposo and Sephora. And today, Aruna, you have the opportunity to ask me anything and everything, whatever you want to know about the pageant, whatever you know want to know about the preparations or anything related to it. Just go ahead and shoot your questions, and I'm all here to answer all your questions.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for introducing me, and I'm very happy to go live with you. And I really wanted to know about your journey of Miss India last year. So, like,
Mm-hmm.
what you was and what you became after Miss India. So, I really wanted to know the entire journey, how everything goes. Like, yeah.
Uh, so I think Aruna, you will be able to relate with my story because I read about your story and I could actually connect. So for me, it was a complete new, a different chapter of my life because I never really, in my childhood, I don't think I ever thought that I will be wearing makeup one day or dressing up or wearing heels. I was a nerd. I was always into studies. I wanted to become a chartered accountant. I'm still studying. So yeah, I never imagined myself the way I am right now. So it was quite a journey for me. I had wonderful experiences. I still remember my Miss India days, 45 days. We all were together. Unfortunately, that is not there for all of you girls. But yes,
Yes, ma'am.
all the contestants, we were together. We celebrated every day. So every day we had shoots, we had sessions, but still it was like a celebration for a month because every day you get to, learn new things and experience new things which you never had experienced or seen before in your life. So yeah, it was, I think my 45 days were life-changing days, and every day I was meeting a new Suman because throughout your pageant journey you get to know yourself better and you yourself start exploring yourself. So yeah, in that way it was quite helpful, and yeah, I am blessed. I'm grateful for having that journey in my life. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Also,
amazing.
yes. So tell me about you girls, because see, I can say that last year we all were together, we had memories, we enjoyed. So in between the sessions, we used to chit and chat, interact. Is there that opportunity is there for you girls? Like, can you spend
Yes,
time with each other? It's
definitely.
just session,
Like,
session.
no, no, like we have our own WhatsApp group of we all 31, and we do chit chat on that group, and we stay connected.
Okay.
Even you can see in our comment section, like everyone keeps supporting each other in the
Yeah.
comment section. So yeah, it doesn't feel like we are not together, but digitally we are connected to each other so much that we don't feel like we don't know each other. It feels like we are around everyone, like everyone are with us. So yeah, it doesn't feel like, but like I totally understand we are not on ground, so I don't know that feeling. But this is also very amazing that instead of being so far with each other, we are still connected. So yeah, that's really amazing.
That is great. Yeah.
Yeah.
So where are you doing your pageant from? Are you in Jaipur right now?
Yes, ma'am, I'm in Jaipur.
Okay. Are you excited for top 15?
I'm very excited. I just hope I'm made to top 15, but let's hope for the best. And I'm just
Yes.
giving my best. That's all what I can do. So yeah.
I wish you all the very best for top 15 and make sure you nail it in your interviews. And I'm looking forward to seeing those.
Thank you so
Also,
much.
first of all, I forgot to mention this, but you really, really look pretty right now. I'm loving your look
Thank you
and
so
the color
much.
you're wearing.
Even you are looking so beautiful right now.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. So let me just see the comments. Is there any question for you that I can ask? In the meantime, you can think of any question that you want to ask me or know about
Yes,
the
ma'am. I
interviews or
really
anything.
wanted to know that, like, it's all going digital. So, what's your take
Mhm.
on it? Like, what one should focus more on? Like, digitally, what we should focus more about? Like, the areas which we should
Mhm.
cover a lot.
I think no matter whether it's digital or in person, you've got to cover every aspect of it. Like look-wise, I can see you are on point. You are the representation of yourself is perfect. So I think yeah, and of course better connectivity, good internet because everything is online.
Yeah.
But yeah, you have to make sure that you are, paying attention in every session that is provided to you by your mentors. Um, then at the same time, know yourself well, know about your life, know what kind of person you are, because that is important. I guess when you know yourself, you know all the answers to all the questions.
Right.
So that is the most important thing you need to know, because question can be anything, but you are going to answer it in your own way, considering your values, considering the way you have been brought up, or the people you are surrounded with. That, forms your thought process, and through that you think of an answer. So that is very important, that you know who the real Aruna is, where her heart lies, what kind of a person she is, and then I think every question will be a cakewalk for you. You can answer it in your own way. So I think that is the most important thing. Otherwise, be ready. So yeah, there's no need to worry. Just know yourself well and pay attention to all the instructions the Miss India team is providing to you, and or your mentors. So just make sure that you trust the team and do your best.
Definitely. Thank you so much for giving these tips. It is really
Yeah.
helpful.
Hmm.
So, like,
Also,
I
yeah, yeah.
no no tell me. Yeah.
No, it's okay. You continue. Then I'll
No,
speak.
actually, I wanted to ask you, like, after Miss India, your journey, how much your
Hmm.
life changed? Like, what are the new things which?
Sorry, I lost you in between. Can you hear me, Aruna? You're not audible. I can't hear you. Yeah, your face is a little blurred, I guess. Can you hear me? I think you should log out and then log in again. I'll just send Aruna a request again. Yeah. Yes, yes, people. I've sent her. Oh, she's
Yeah.
back.
I'm really sorry. There was some
Hi.
connection issue.
No, no, no. It's okay. It's okay. I can understand. Technical problems.
Yeah, technical problems.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So,
You were saying
ma'am,
something.
yeah. So I was asking you, like, after Miss India, you got a title. So how your life changed? Like, what were the new things which you experienced?
Oh, actually, your world changes completely. Trust me, if you win the national title. You will experience things which you never expected, and suddenly everything will become damn beautiful. You won't see anything, any flaw in your surrounding, because everybody is proud of you, everybody is celebrating your success, and I think the people, your people, will be more happy as compared to your happiness, is what I feel. Because I remember the night I won the crown. Uh, Next day, yeah, first of all, your followers start increasing. So that was happening. Then next day, I got a lot of messages on my WhatsApp, Instagram, from all my family members, my relatives. And then there was this huge, grand homecoming for me at four different places: my school, my house in Bombay, then in Rajasthan. So my homecoming, I think, was going on for like a week. And yeah, so it was all so, I think it was all, it felt like I'm in my dream world. Everybody wants to see me, everybody wants to meet me. Uh, so yeah, it was all good. It was, see, look at the smile on my face when I'm,
Yes.
recollecting those memories. I'm living it right now again. So yeah, it was all good. And yes, the world changes in a way that now people will take you seriously. now people will consider your opinions. You will matter. And that's what I wanted. I wanted my voice to be heard. I wanted my opinions to be heard. I wanted people to want to know what I am, what my thoughts are in any kind of decisions they are making. Especially in my family, because coming, I have mentioned this before, the community where I belong. So it was really needed. And now, when I see after my Miss India, things have changed. My community has become a lot more supportive now. They started supporting their daughters, and I'm so proud of the people because now they are adapting to the changes. They are learning and they want to change. They want to become more progressive. And that is the best part. I was actually a little afraid to think, what if my community, the people from my community, they don't like me anymore? What if they, say these things which might hurt and all of that? But no, they all were really supportive. Things are changing, and I'm grateful for that.
That's great. I can feel that
Yeah,
how you felt at that time. So,
yeah,
yeah, that was
yes.
really
Oh,
amazing. Like, I wish to get that feeling, and I'm really
mm,
working hard for that. Let's hope everything goes on the track. So, yeah.
yeah. Aruna, share your story with the followers. I think they would want to know what
Yes,
it is
ma'am,
all about.
definitely. Actually, I never thought of going into pageants and all stuff. Even I didn't knew much about it. So in
Hmm.
my school, I was more like of a tomboy and not into dressing up and all that stuff. But my friends used to tell me that you should go for modeling, you should try it once and all. So one day, my sister dragged me into one audition of Miss Rajasthan. Then I just thought,
Hmm.
let's give it a try and let's see what happens next. Then it went good, but when I gave the audition, I didn't told my father about it because he was not more supportive in modeling and all stuff. So
Hmm.
after I gave the audition, I got selected. Then my mother told my father that this what happened and she's selected now. Then my father told me you didn't even took permission from me and all that stuff happened. Then he said it's your first and last chance. If you prove yourself, then I'll think about it. Otherwise, you have to pursue your studying and all stuff. But then things went right. I grabbed first runner up position in that, and after that things started changing, and I got to know more about pageants and modeling into this pageant which I did at Rajasthan level, state level. So after that I started dreaming to be the next Miss India and started working for that, and today I'm here live with you, and I'm so happy and grateful for that.
Oh, I can imagine. I can imagine that feeling.
Yes, I was seriously
So,
waiting for this live for so long that when I'm gonna go live with someone, when, and today is the day.
so sweet. I think we are meeting for the first time, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
unfortunately I wasn't there for your interviews, but
Yeah.
yeah, there are people commenting. You look beautiful, Aruna.
Thank you so much, everyone. I really want to thank each and everyone for supporting so much. It really means a lot because this is the time when I need their support the most. So, yeah, thank you so much, everyone.
Yes, please, guys, support your favorite state winners. Soon we are going to shortlist top 15. Thank you, Harmeet sir. Okay, I'm just going through the comments. If there are any questions that we've left, we can
Yeah.
answer. So, Aruna, I saw your picture today on the Miss India handle. It was in a uniform. You were a part of NCC?
Yeah, I was part of NCC and I did a
Okay.
lot of, trekking camps or shooting camps. So, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I really wanted to go into civil services and all stuff. And I started preparing for IAS also. But
Okay.
then things changed.
So you're
Everything
studying
went.
right now? What are you studying right
Yeah,
now?
right now I'm a second year student of BCom. And
BCom. Okay.
side by side, I'm doing my stuff which makes me feel happy.
Great. Okay, so I'm just checking if there are any questions.
Ma'am, someone is asking your skincare routine.
My
So,
skincare
what's
routine.
your skincare routine? Even I really wanted to know how you maintain your skin.
Oh, please look at you. How flawlessly you're looking right now. It's just see the basic thing. It's cleanser, toning, moisturizing, the same CTM thing that we all follow. One thing I do is you all might have heard it a lot of times that drink a lot of water, and you've
Yeah,
got to drink a lot of water. I think basic things are drinking a lot of water and sleeping well, because that contributes a lot towards your health, towards your skin's health. So these are the two things I make sure that I do is drinking a lot of water and sleeping a lot whenever I get time, post work, of course. And yeah, please don't go to bed without removing your makeup. That is very important. You will have to make sure that you go to bed with clean skin so that it can breathe throughout the night and heal the areas which are, affected because of makeup or sun rays. And yes, sunscreen is the most
yeah,
important. Never ever step out of your home without applying a sunscreen. It is very important. I never do that. So, like, I never step out of my place without a sunscreen. So, that is very important. Yeah, so basic skin care, that is, there is no, hi-fi routine that I follow. It's just basics. What do you do? Your skin is glowing right now.
no, actually, even I do the same thing. I just ensure, like, make sure that before sleeping, I clean my face completely, then moisturize it,
Yeah,
tone it. So that's all what I do. Even I do few gharelu nuskas, which my mother told me, like
yeah.
applying curd or honey and all stuff. That's all what I
Hmm.
do for my skin. Even I think
Great.
overdoing makes your skin more, rough
Right.
and
Right. It loses its smoothness.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So before we end this live, one last question, which I wanted to ask is, how's the pressure, Arina, and how are you dealing with it? What is happening in your surrounding? How do you deal with the negativity? Because see, you are in a competition. You are competing with
Yeah.
the rest of 30 girls. So of course the pressure is there. Of course, not everyone is going to win the crown. Not everybody is going to get shortlisted. So how are you dealing with the pressure, the negativity? What is happening? I want to know.
Like even on day one, we were told by our mentors that no matter like on social media and all stuff, we'll face lots of negativity as well as
Hmm.
positivity. So what we can do is just take everything in a positive way and do not react much. All we can do is give our best. That's all we have in our hand. In fact, pressure is there because it's a big competition and
Hmm.
like it's digital, so we don't have all the resources like makeup artist, photographer, hairstylist. So we have to manage all this stuff like on our own selves. So I just think about that this is the time which is given to me and this is the time which I can do the best. So I try to ignore each and everything, all the negativity. I just focus on my one goal, which is Miss India. So, in fact, whole team is working so hard for us, like from morning to night. Like whenever we need their help, they're always there with us. So that motivates me a lot to, keep myself cheering ourselves, and it is really amazing. Like team doesn't make me feel like we are there are a lot of pressure and all stuff. So everything is going smoothly, and it feels great to be part of Miss India because everyone treats us like a family, and it doesn't feel
Yeah.
like they are different people or they are far from us. So everything is really
Hmm.
amazing. In fact, Richa
Yeah,
ma'am,
I
who
think
is
that's
yeah, they
yeah,
keep
I
on
know.
helping us about our looks, hair and makeup, dressing, everything.
They are
So
my
every
sweethearts.
yeah,
Here's a heart for you,
seriously,
Richa
sweetheart.
ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
Suman,
you're
I
right.
really wanted to know, like, you are from Rajasthan, you represented Rajasthan. So, what's your favorite thing about Rajasthan? Your favorite dishes? or favorite parts of Rajasthan? I really wanted to know about it.
So I belong to a village which is near Udaipur, and
Okay.
Udaipur is my favorite city. So I don't think I will ever be able to choose one or few parts of Rajasthan. I think Rajasthan is in my heart, and
Yeah.
wherever I go, I will be representing my state. I feel in India. So yeah, Rajasthan is all hearts. I love it, and that's why I think I wanted to represent Rajasthan at Miss India. And yes, my favorite food, I've always mentioned, it's our authentic dish from Rajasthan itself, dal bati.
Dal
But yes, I
bati.
really like the bati with curry, the yellow curry. So yeah, that's my favorite. And apart from that, if we come to junk side, then it will be pav bhaji, which I love
Definitely.
eating. Yeah, so that's there.
Dal bati
These are my
churma
favorite
is like
parts.
very famous and it's really very yummy. Even that's
Correct,
my
it is.
favorite.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
I think every Rajasthani loves dal bati churma.
Yes,
That's
yes.
the best part. Cool, Aruna. It was lovely interacting with you. I had a fun time, and I hope I was able to help you in some or the other way with my answers and my experience. And I wish you all the very best with your interviews for Top 15. Just remember to be yourself in a true sense and give your best. I love you. All my prayers and love is with you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was really great talking to you. And whatever you
Yeah.
given the tips and all stuff, it's very helpful. And I'll take care of each and everything. And I love you too. And thank you so much for all the wishes. And I'm just
Great.
hoping to meet you soon. And
Yes, me too.
let's hope for the best and results in our top 15
Yeah,
and meet you
sure.
super, super soon.
Cool, cool. Okay, then. Love you all. Thank you, everybody, our followers, for joining in and being a part of this live. It really means a lot. And keep supporting your girls and help them to win the coveted crown. So let's s- end this live with a good note. Stay safe and take care, all of you. And take care, Aruna. I hope to see you soon.
Yes, definitely.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Take care.